and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its contents, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And I have a new box to my channel. It's Hygge Box, I think it's how it's pronounced. I've seen it unboxed on a couple of YouTubers' channels, and I'm like, I gotta try that. So I ordered a couple months worth, and let's see what's in it. It is a lifestyle box. I will leave the link below, and I wanna say it's like $45 a month, and it might, might have to add shipping, but you know, I'll leave everything below. And it has some cute things that come in it. I think it might be like a Norwegian lifestyle. Everything will be listed below and we'll go through everything, so we'll find out together. So you open it up, and I'm pretty sure it's like the same size box every month, but it's just packed full of goodies. So there is a card, and it's a Danish, it's a Danish lifestyle of coziness, happiness, and enjoying life's simple pleasures. And then it continues to go on about that, but I don't think, yeah, it doesn't have the items on there. And I think this is everything that is in the box. And it's beautifully wrapped, and it smells so good. When I got it in the mail, I could just tell it had some really nice items in it. So I think it had like some food and might have some candles, and you know I'm a candle lover. So the first thing I'm going to take out, because it's packed so tightly, is Hygge Jasmine Dawn Green Tea, 5 indulgent, I can't pronounce this, biodegradable tea pyramids. What is that word? I have to find some glasses. So this is what it looks like. I have to see if this is what smells. And I make iced tea. I'm a big iced tea lover, and I'll make iced tea out of anything. So I can't wait to try making iced tea. And you can tell that they're a nice size iced tea bag. So I'll let you guys know how the iced tea was. And we got, I think in one of our FabFitFun boxes, maybe a year or so ago, a really nice teapot. And this must go with something. Let me see, as you know, I can't read. Yeah, the tea, I'll go over all that afterwards. But Shortbread House, shortbread with Sicilian lemon. Oh, I hope it's not something I have to make. It's not. It is shortbread cookies to go with my tea. I'm loving this box already. I don't have to cook. Wow. First I thought it might be a packet with something I'd have to make. So that is totally awesome. So that goes with my tea. I knew I'd like this box. And the next thing is Squeeze the Day. Oh, it's lemon socks. I do not mind getting a pair of socks in my boxes. I know some people don't like it. Even here in Arizona, it does get cold. So I always like to throw a pair of socks on. But these are so cute. Tell me those are not cute. So that's what they say. It's just like the warmth that comes in this box. And then the next thing looks like a scarf. It is, oh, it's a Vince Camuto. Darlings, I have a Vince Camuto. It's a square scarf. Does it get any bigger? I got my little trail things. This is a beautiful color. Oh, it does get bigger. Wow. I'm not a big scarf person, but I do kind of like this. Oh, it smells good like the box. Okay. Oh, I wonder if I found this ring. Wonder if this goes with the ring, if it shows you how to wear the scarf with the ring. How awesome is that? Now I know why Alex from Life of a City Girl, because this is definitely something New Yorkish. Wow. This is just such a pretty color. Okay. And this is a fun box. Then there's more. There's Lavender Thyme Essential Oil Exfoliating Soap. That's what the scarf smelled like. Wow. Look at the size. Sorry. How selfish am I? Look at the size of this bar of soap. You would never get out of the tub. And of course I can't take it out of the package, but that's a bar of soap. All I need is one of those clawfoot bathtubs to go with this bar of soap. But that is just awesome. They send you with this box, you can sign up for whatever, but they always send you a reminder, like your next box is coming up, do you want to renew it? And mine came up and I'm like, well, to be honest, I haven't unboxed this one, but I'm gonna renew it because I see great unboxings and I'm so glad I did. And this is, I think it's a candle. Yes. Oh. You can take a bath, have tea. I'm just going to show you what the candle looks like. I know you can't smell it. Oh, heaven, 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 heaven. Oh, and there's still another item in here. And I see feet. I see feet on here. Detoxifying foot pads in mint. Wow. And look at the pack it comes in. It is cleanse, rejuvenate, and strengthen your body while you sleep. Natural ingredients energize, improve circulation, and remove toxins for optimal balance and pain relief. Keep these away from the man. Trying to it's got a before and after, but I don't know what that means. Reusable storage bags. I don't know how many are in here. Oh, one detoxifying circle, one pad per foot, 5 days. I don't want to take them out, but this looks really neat, and you put them on while you sleep. This is, oh, I guess it's got a color, oh, on the back here. See these different colors? That's what the pad will turn. If you have kidney, bladder, reproductive system, joints, muscles, gallbladder, digestive system, liver, smoking, free radicals, waste products, liver, alcohol, respiratory system. So if it turns black, you have liver, alcohol, respiratory system issues. Wow. Maybe you don't want to find out. I've never seen anything like that before. This is like almost worth the price of the box. So that was everything that was in the box. I got everything over here on the table. And I'm just gonna look at the card. The earthy colored Vince Camuto wrap is versatile piece for the spring and summer seasons. It is soft, light, and graceful with an air of coziness. Perfect for wrapping into on crisp days. So it's got everything. It doesn't have retail prices on here, but it does have like the cookies, where they come from, and the foot pads. It talks about that. It says stimulating reflex points on the bottom of your feet. They're detox foot pads. I just think that sounds so cool. So I'm definitely gonna have to give those a try. Oh, and the soap, I think it's the soap, is called Forar, which means spring in Danish. So, and here's the card. So what did you think of this box? I said it's new to my channel. I've seen other YouTubers unbox it and they just liked it. I know we do a lot of makeup unboxings. We do a lot of skincare. Clothing is big on YouTube, but I just thought I would try a lifestyle box, you know, something that I can use up. I can, you know, maybe have a little bit of food in there. So I really like this box and I can't wait to get next month's box. So thank you all for spending some time with me. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.